So we have all of this working. Now it's time to get the keys working. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab this. Now, for this to work, we have to pick a state and then see if this is running, and then also we got to get the inventory of the player and look to see if the player has key 1, key 2, or key 3, and all of these have to be spelled this way. But if you follow the code that I'm going to give you in the exact casing, it's going to work, unless you do something wrong. In that case, that's on you. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to drop this down to another line, other dot get component. The component I'm going to get is inventory because that's what's holding the player's inventory. And then what we're going to do is has key 1, and that's true. If I don't put false there, it's automatically true in this if statement. And instead of open, we're going to do key 1, so that we're setting this door that can only open with key 1. I can go ahead and do the other ones as well too. Has key 2, and I like doing these in order. And I can do it again. And all I'm doing is taking that one line, copy and pasting. Key 3, and has key 3. Now, if my doors are closed, if this is closed, it doesn't matter. It's not going to open anyway. And we can also, if I wanted to in the future, I'm not doing it with you guys. If I want to have a door that's broken, I can use the same kind of paradigm to do a broken door as well too. Like it just, brings up a different animation. But we're keeping it simple. This is your first time dealing with animation. All this other stuff you have already dealt with before, so I'm not worried about it. All right, so we go to build all. Now my door, and if we're smart, what we're going to end up doing is prefabbing the door. So let's go ahead and do that. Now we're going to end up changing it later, but let's go to prefabs. Prefab my door. There's my door. Now, because if I duplicate this door, and let's say we rotate this 90, and I set this door for key 1. All right, this door is open. This door is key 1. My keys are right here. What I'm going to do, there's key 1. I go in it. Nothing happens. I can look through it because the camera is actually going through the door, but the player is not. We go through here. Hey, look. There's some really weird objects. I have all my keys. Let me. And I go to here, and it works. And then key 2 and key 3 will work because I'm using a state. Now, if I didn't have key 1, obviously we just said it won't work. Then if I set for key 2 and key 3 as I lay out my level with all the things I'm supposed to have in there, that's how you're going to get your keys and your doors to work together. Does everybody understand that? It's not a lot of code. Now, with this, I should be able to do this now. I can uncomment that out. You're not doing this. And I can also uncomment out this part as well too, because I have this set up with a raycast that you can also click on it and get it to open. And then these are staying the same because that has really nothing to do with you guys. It has something to do with something else I was doing. And then I'm not getting the errors. I can click on it to open the door. I can walk through it. Also with the keys, that's key 1. I click on it, walk through it, or do the same thing. So that is it. Now, outside of going through some things specific